and mathematics. In this video, we are to find the square root of 8 plus 2 root 15 without using calculator. So let's see the easiest way of doing this. Okay, from algebraic identity, a plus b all squared is the same as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, now let's expand this and see. Root 3 plus root 5 all squared. This is the same as, per this identity, we have root 3 squared plus 2 times root 3 times 5 plus root 5 all squared. And root 3 all squared is giving us 3 plus root 3 times root 5 will give us root 15. So we have 2 root 15 plus 5. So that we have 3 plus 5, that is 8 plus 2 root 5. So we can say that 8 plus 2 root 15 is the same as root 3 plus root 5 all squared. Therefore, square root of 8 plus 2 root 15 will be the same as square root of root 3 plus root 5 all squared. And from indices, a all squared is equal to a. So root 3 plus root 5 all squared will be root 3. So the square root will take care of the square. Plus, therefore, square root of 8 plus 2 root 15 is equal to root 3 plus root 5. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.